Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
We can't waste any more time. Only 48 have joined so far, 47, 46. Yesterday, we began studying tables, interpreting tables. In those tables, I gave you 4 points. This was the last slide in which we learned 4 steps how to interpret a table. What are the 4 things we are supposed to do? We have to give the main idea first. In the first sentence, we have to give the main idea. And then what are supposed to, we have to analyze the similarities and differences. And this was, I think, the second point you wrote down. Did you note down these points?
Sir, figures, sir, figures.
Figures, mention figures. Okay, this was the second point. Mention the figures given in the table. Right, this is the second point. And then analyze the data showing similarities and differences. Yeah, this was the third point. Analyze the
Yes,
data
sir.
showing similarities and differences. And then fourth point, you have to use linkers like similar to, contrast to, on the contrary, whereas, however, such linkers also you should use. And we practice one table. Today we are going to practice 2 more tables. Tables will come in your examination. And after that, yeah, this is the second table. This is similar to the table we have already analyzed. But what is the main difference between this one and that one? The earlier one, do you remember the first table we analyzed? See, how many categories were there? Male, female, and medium. These are the 2 things for ECE and CME. Whereas in this slide, we have 3 branches. 3 branches are there. Male, female, appeared and paused, and total appeared and paused. Appeared and paused was not there here in this table, and only 2 branches were there. And in this table, you have appeared, number of students appeared, number of male students appeared, number of female students appeared, number of the students paused, and the total number of students and total number of paused students for 3 branches. These are the things given. Now you please observe the table. That means you go through the table and start writing.
Aki achinda.
Yeah, can you begin? Akila Banu, please begin. Start. We have to do 2 tables today. I have already given you the important points. Male students appeared, male students paused, female students appeared, female students paused, total number of students appeared, total number of paused, and ECE, EEE, and DCE. These are the 3 branches we are talking about. So now analyze the table and interpret. I will give you 5 minutes time. Your time starts now. Please do it quickly. After completing, let us, if time permits, let us revise the earlier ones also. Flow charts and trees also we have to revise. Flow charts, trees, and the tables. Ashwini has raised one hand.
Sir, I'm Swati, sir.
Yes, Swati, but how come Ashwini's name came? Did you raise your hands, Swati?
No, sir. Just now I said that I will see, sir.
No, Ashwini raised her hand. Yeah. Yeah, Swati, do you want to speak?
If she want to speak means afterwards I will speak, sir.
No, if you are ready, you can speak. If you are ready to interpret
Okay,
the
sir.
table, you can speak. Do you want to speak or you want some more time?
I want
Yes.
to speak, sir.
Yeah, speak.
This flow chart describes about the students of
This
Table,
Table.
sir.
Gives.
table.
This
Table.
table describes about a government polytechnic college. In that government polytechnic college, there are 3 branches. First one is DECE, and second one is DEEE, and third one is DCE. The batch in DECE, the male students have appeared 25 members. Out of 25 members, 20 male students have passed. Hello, sir.
Yeah, I'm listening.
The female students in DECE have appeared 35 members. Out of 35 members, 33 members have passed. And DECE, the students total have 60 have appeared for the exam. 60 members have appeared for the exam and passed 53 members. And in DEEE branch, male persons have appeared 40 members, and out of 40 members, 30 male persons have passed. And in female, 20 members have appeared, and out of 20 members, 17 members have passed. Total have appeared 60 members. Out of that, 47 have passed.
Okay.
And in DCE, the male persons appeared for the exams is 50%. 50 have
50.
appeared and passed 35 members. And in female, 10 female have appeared, and out of 10 passed.
Yeah.
Means 10 persons have appeared and 10 persons passed. And total have appeared 60 members and passed 45 members. This is the table about the government polytechnic students. Thank you, sir.
Okay, but you have not interpreted the table. You have followed only, you have given only the first 2. What are the first 2 things? State the main idea. You have mentioned the main idea. Second point is mention the figures. You have mentioned the figures given in the table. Where is analysis of similarities and differences? This is not interpretation, Swati. You have to interpret.
Sir, I'm saying.
Out of 4, you have completed only 2. You have stated the main idea and you have given the figures, that is numbers given in the table. What about analysis of similarities and differences? Analyze the similarities and
Sir,
differences.
I'm saying.
Yeah. You have just given the information which is there in the table, but you have to interpret. Yesterday also I told you in about this one. Comparison between
Sir, I'm
ECE and
Swati,
CE.
sir.
Yeah, comparison between male and female. Yeah.
There are 3 branches, sir. Out of these 3 branches, DECE have passed 53 members. Means these batch have passed more when we compare with these 2 branches.
Okay. Okay, that is one point.
And these 3 branches have passed equally 60%.
Who?
These 3 branches, DECE and DEEE DEC.
Appeared 60, but the number of passed candidates in ECE is more than that of electrical and civil. Yeah, that is the point you have mentioned.
Yes, sir.
That is the first point. Any second point? Next point? Anybody else?
When we compare DEEE and DCE, in the branch of DCE, the female persons have appeared 35. So.
Okay.
And when we compare DECE and DCE, in the branch of DEEE, 35 members of the male persons have passed. when we compare with these two.
Again, you are giving only information. You are not
DEC.
giving analysis. You are giving the numbers which are there
Means
on
I'm
analysis. Differences and similarities means you have to think deeply. Okay, Swati, you can stop. You have completed. Anybody else who wants to interpret the table? Hey, Sai Sandhya, Sandhya Rani, Vaishnavi. Gaganashri is there. Akila Banu. Nobody is talking, just attending,
Sir,
switching on.
Padmavati, can I say, sir?
Jyoti. Srilekha, Shruti, Suzana, Shirisha.
Sir, Padmavati, can I say, sir?
Yeah, Padmavati, please speak.
Sir, the following table is describing about the government polytechnic college. Here we have, in this college, we have 3 branches,
Yeah.
DECE, DEEE, DCE. And
Ah.
we have separate students for this each branches. For the
Okay.
DCE branch, totally we have 45 students.
Hmm.
No, no.
But DC student.
60
all-
students, sorry.
60.
Sorry, sir, total
Hmm.
60 students.
Hmm.
For DEEE branch, we have 57 students. For DCE branch, we have 60 students. The total students appeared for the exam from DCE branch are 25. And out of 25 students, only 20
No,
students
males.
have passed
That is
the
the number of
exam.
male students only.
Coming to female,
Yeah. Coming to female.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Coming to female students, 35 students have appeared to the exam. Only 33 students has passed the exam.
Okay.
Totally 60 students have appeared for the exam, and out of 60 students, 53 has passed the exam.
Okay.
Coming to DEEE branch,
Hmm.
40 male students have appeared the exam, and 30 students have passed the exam.
Okay.
And coming to female students, 20 have appeared, 17 has passed the exam.
Okay.
Totally 60 students have appeared for the exam, and 47 students have passed the exam.
Okay.
Coming to DCE branch, 50 male students have appeared the exam, and
Yeah.
35 have passed it.
Okay.
10 female students have appeared the exam, and 10 has passed it. Totally 60 students appeared the exam, only 45 have passed it.
Okay.
Coming to the comparison point,
Yeah.
all the 3 groups have 60 students, but mostly DECE students have passed the exam.
Right. Very good.
At least DCE students have passed the exam.
Yeah. That means the pass percentage of DEC students is more than that of the other 2 branches. Right. That is the
Yes,
first
yes, sir.
point. Next.
Comparing to the female students passed students,
Hmm.
DCE has scored better than the DEC and DEEE. 10 female students have appeared the exam, and 10 of them has passed the exam. Here
Right.
the
Very,
female students has
right.
the
Right. Very good. Right. Hmm. And then
that's it, sir.
compare male students and female students pass percentage.
Comparing the male students and female students in DCE branch, female students have scored well, and coming to DEEE, male students have scored well.
No.
DCE,
No. Even DEEE female students in all the branches, only girl students have got good results. See, out of 35, 33 passed. Whereas
yes,
boys,
sir.
only 20 passed
In
out of.
all
Hmm.
in all branches, female students have appeared well and passed well compared to the
Yes.
male students.
Yes. Yeah, that is another point. And one more point regarding admissions. Who is taking admission in which branch?
In all branches, no, so in DCE branch, female students have took more admissions,
Yes.
and DEEE and DCE, male students have more admissions, sir.
Right. Right. Very good. So these are the comparisons. This is how you have to speak about the similarities and differences. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you think, all the points will come to your mind. Okay. Nicely done, Padmavati. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, next, let me go to the next slide. This is tougher one. This is bigger one. Now, analyze this. See, you can take a screenshot if you like. I have been telling you, whenever it is not possible for you to note down everything, you can take a screenshot so that you can read afterwards also. Of course, I am sending you YouTube link, but you can have all these things in on your mobile also. It takes some time. You take more than 5 minutes. Here, you can take 6 minutes for this table, to interpret this table. Everybody, now other persons have to speak. I think Tanmayi, Swati, and Padmavati, these were the three people who spoke, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you three also be ready, but I request the other participants also to speak. At least 2 other persons have to speak this time. Anybody ready to speak about the table?
Sir Padmavati, can I?
Yeah, let us ask others. If others are not ready, you can speak. Because before, earlier table also was interpreted by you. Yeah, Padmavati is going to interpret. Is there anybody who wants to interpret the table? Yeah, I will give first opportunity to Padmavati, and then others also have to speak. Don't sit idle. Please practice. You do not practice. 5-mark question. This is a 5-mark question. Data interpretation is a compulsory question. So you have to, you don't know whether you're going to get flow chart or tree diagram or table. You have to be ready with all the 3. Yeah, Padmavati, you can start speaking.
Thank you, sir, for giving opportunity. The
Yeah.
following table is saying about the train fares from Visakhapatnam to Hyderabad. Here, the table has given is showing about 4 trains: Godavari Express, Garib Rath, Vishaka Express, Nanded Express.
Yeah.
In the every train, we have 5 type of seats. First type is 2-tier AC, 3-tier AC, sleeper class, Tatkal, general.
Yeah.
The Godavari Express has 1,648 seats in 2-tier AC.
No.
872.
Yeah, no. Let me tell you. Actually, I should have typed rupees. They are not the number of seats. I will type later. That is rupees. Rupees 1,648. Rupees 872. Rupees 495. Okay.
Okay.
The
Okay, sir.
information given is rupees.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. In Godavari Express, for 2-tier AC, the cost of each seat is 1,648.
Yeah.
And for 3-tier AC, the cost of each seat is 872. For sleeper class, the rate of each seat is 495. For Tatkal, each seat rate is 1,172. And for general, the cost is 258.
Yeah.
Here we can observe that in Garib Rath Express, we don't have two-tier AC and sleeper class AC.
Yeah,
We have only three-tier and Tatkal and general.
yeah. No, general is
The
there?
cost of
General
no
also is
sir, no
not there.
general.
Hmm.
General is also not there. We have the cost of three-tier AC for each seat is 499 in Garib Rath Express, and for Tatkal it is 699 rupees.
Okay,
And coming to Vishaka Express, the two-tier AC cost of each seat is 1008 rupees.
yes,
For three-tier AC, it's 735. For sleeper class, 272 rupees. For Tatkal, 1035 rupees.
yeah,
For general, 190.
yeah.
And coming to Nanded Express, the cost of
It
two-tier
is
AC is
Nanded.
1000.
Nanded is a place, yeah.
Coming to Nanded Express, the cost of two-tier AC is 1406 rupees. Three-tier AC, 811 rupees. Sleeper class, 409. Tatkal, 911. For general, 288. And coming to the comparison point, if we compare, the Godavari Express has highest rates for every seat, for every type of seat
Right,
sitting
right,
places,
right, very good, yeah,
except general.
yeah.
In Garib Rath Express, we can observe that only we have two type of seaters, three-tier AC and Tatkal.
Okay,
What to compare more?
yes, correct.
That's it, sir. Only Godavari Express has more compared to the Garib, Vishaka and Nanded Expresses. The Godavari Express train number is 2727. Garib Rath Express train number is 2739. Vishaka Express 7015. Nanded Express 3846.
Okay, almost correct. And once again, go through Vishaka Express and Nanded Express. Train
Comparing
fares.
to the Vishaka and Nanded Express, two-tier AC, for two-tier AC, Nanded Express has more cost. Three-tier AC and sleeper class also, Nanded Express has more cost. But in Tatkal three-tier AC, Vishaka Express has more cost. But in general, again, Nanded Express has more cost. By this, we can say that except in Tatkal, in other seating places, Nanded Express has more rate.
Right. Correct.
Compared to all, Garib Rath Express has very least cost.
Yes.
That's it, sir.
Right. Very good. Actually, I
Thank
don't
you,
know
sir.
whether you know it or not. I'm telling everyone, Tatkal is not a different class. Actually, Tatkal is an additional advantage. When the train seats are filled, Tatkal on the spot, just 1 or 2 hours before the train's departure, some tickets will be given, additional tickets will be given, and another bogie will be added. That is also three-tier, third class AC only. Two-tier AC means second AC, three-tier AC means third AC, sleeper class, general. And this is also three-tier AC. Tatkal also is three-tier, third AC. This is also third AC. But they are charging extra for booking on the spot. Okay, extra charge, extra fare we have to pay additionally for
Yes, sir, I know it.
yeah, some of you may not be knowing about that. That is why I am telling you. Okay. Anybody else? Now, nice work done by Padmavati. Anybody else? Yes.
Sir, Tanmay, sir.
Tanmay, please speak quickly. Now we have only 2.5 minutes. Please speak quickly.
This table gives the information about the train fares from Visakhapatnam to Hyderabad. In
Yeah.
train number 2727, Godavari Express, the two-tier AC seat costs 1,648 rupees. Three-tier AC seat costs 872 rupees. Sleeper class costs 495 rupees. Tatkal ticket costs 1,170 rupees, 72 rupees, and general seat costs 258 rupees. In train number 2739, Garib Rath Express, 2-tier AC, sleeper class, and general are filled. And
No, they
in
are, they are not
3-tier,
available. They are not, yeah. Actually,
they are not
Garib Rath
available.
doesn't have those bogies. Garib Rath has only third AC. The entire train has only third AC.
Yes,
Actually,
sir.
that is the fact. Of course, you can say there are no, fares are not given. As this is not the number of seats, fare is not given means that class is not there in the train.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
In 3-tier AC, one seat costs 499 rupees and Tatkal ticket is 699 rupees. In train number 7015 Vishaka Express, 2-tier AC seat costs 1008 rupees, 3-tier AC seat costs 375 rupees, and sleeper class seat costs 272 rupees. Tatkal ticket costs 1035 rupees and general ticket costs 190 rupees. Then train number 3846 Nanded Express, 2-tier AC seat costs 1406 rupees. 3-tier AC seat costs
We may get disconnected in
811
30
rupees.
seconds. We may get disconnected in 30 seconds. Yeah.
Sleeper class sleeper class seat costs 409 rupees. Tatkal ticket costs 911 rupees and general ticket costs 288 rupees. From this, the Godavari, we can compare that the Godavari